Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbology Haven. Today, we're diving into a spice that's often overlooked but packs a punch, allspice. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just love experimenting in the kitchen, this spice is something you'll want to know more about. So, let's explore the rich history, health benefits, and countless ways to use allspice. First off, what exactly is allspice? Despite its name, allspice isn't a blend of multiple spices. It's actually the dried berry of the Pimenta dioica tree, native to the Caribbean, Central America, and Mexico. It was first discovered by Christopher Columbus in the 16th century, who was so impressed by its flavor that he named it allspice, because it seemed to combine the tastes of cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves all in one. Not only does allspice add amazing flavor to dishes, but it's also packed with nutrients. It's rich in vitamins like vitamin C, A, and B complex, and minerals such as iron, calcium, and manganese. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a healthy addition to your meals. Let's talk about the health benefits. Allspice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with pain relief, especially for conditions like arthritis or sore muscles. It's also great for digestion, easing bloating and indigestion. And thanks to its antioxidant content, allspice can help protect your cells from damage, potentially lowering your risk of chronic diseases. Now, how do you use allspice in the kitchen? This spice is incredibly versatile. It's a staple in Caribbean jerk seasoning, adding a warm, spicy kick to meats. But it's not just for savory dishes. Try adding it to desserts like pumpkin pie or even your morning coffee for a unique twist. Allspice has also been used for centuries in traditional medicine. From treating digestive issues to easing menstrual cramps, this spice was a go-to remedy in various cultures, especially in the Caribbean. Modern research is now exploring its potential in pain relief and even cancer prevention. Speaking of traditional uses, have you ever heard of allspice essential oil? Extracted through steam distillation, this oil is popular in aromatherapy for its soothing effects on stress and anxiety. It's also used in skincare to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Interested in growing your own allspice? It thrives in tropical climates, but with the right care, you can grow it in a pot at home. Just remember, it needs plenty of warmth, humidity, and sunlight to flourish. When buying allspice, go for whole berries instead of ground spice. They retain their flavor longer. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Whole berries can last up to a year, while ground allspice should be used within 6 months for the best flavor. Did you know that the way allspice is grown can impact the environment? Sustainable farming practices help protect the natural habitats where allspice grows. So, when you're shopping, look for ethically sourced allspice that supports fair trade and sustainable agriculture. Allspice truly is a spice that deserves a spot in your kitchen. From its rich history and health benefits to its culinary versatility, there's so much to love about this amazing spice. If you haven't tried cooking with allspice yet, now's the perfect time to start. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content on spices, herbs, and everything in between. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you'd like to support the channel, check out the links in the description, and leave a review if you found this video helpful. Your support means the world to me. Warm regards, Herbology Haven.